Meaning of hallucinate.
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 Hallucinate. The word hallucinate refers to the perceptual experience of something that is not actually there. It is the product of altered sensory input or a disturbance in the processing of sensory information. The experience can be vivid, realistic, and undistinguishable from reality, even though it does not actually exist. When someone hallucinates, they may see, hear, smell, taste, or feel sensations that are not present in reality. Hallucinations can be caused by a variety of factors such as drugs, mental illness, sleep deprivation, or neurological disorders. They can range from pleasant to terrifying, and can potentially be dangerous if they cause the person to act in a harmful or irrational way.